wild 2 weekends in a row with some rain. So got this pile that we had kind of created in this, where all that rock pile is, and then I got a little bit over there, a little bit over there, and then right behind me here. So we're gonna work on burning this over the next 2 days. Not too bad. So just able to get it started here with a little bit of newspaper. So we'll set it up on time lapse and just get it done. All right, there we were. Got all those piles. So everything's kind of cleared off on here up on the top. So nice, big, flat, open area. This stump's got a ton of dirt around it. Probably saw me trying to wiggle it. Hit it with a shovel. It's just really heavy. But yeah, I would say I'm done for now. Just gonna wait out here for a couple hours to let it burn down. There's a lot of coals in there. So pretty well protected since it sits down in this little gully when they use this as a mine. So it's a good little fire pit. Okay, so it's a giant fire pit. So yeah, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. So I was able to get that loose after all. It was still embedded in the ground here. So this stump here, that's why I'm winded. I've been wrestling with it. Got bored standing around watching the fire. So you'll see it's still well within the ground. So I'm probably not gonna get this part loose, but I got the big one loose. So I guess I will throw that one on just so it can smolder. Yeah, check back in a little bit. Thanks. Well, of course, the battery on the GoPro dies, so I've just got you propped up here on my phone. So here goes.